Well, welcome back to Common Core Geometry. We're looking at Module 5, Lesson 8, over on page 95, Example 1. And I think we'll use Sketchpad actually for this one. We could have used the GeoGebra, but let's just use this one. Alright, I'm going to grab the circle tool, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a circle. Then I'm going to need parallel lines, so I'll just draw a line, a segment. Alright, I'll draw a segment for one of the chords. B, C, I guess. Let me label up some points too. So the center of the circle is A, B, C. We'll get another point down here for D. We'll put it on the circle. And then we'll take the shortcut. We'll go ahead and construct, We'll go ahead and select a line or a segment and a point, and we're going to construct the parallel line right here off the construct menu. And we just got to grab the point tool so that we can grab this intersection. And we'll call that point E over there. Alright, so now we have our parallel lines. Alright, so we have our circle, we have our parallel lines, and let's just go ahead and do some measurements. Why don't we just measure up the arc? So we'll go from point D, circle B. Let's measure up that arc. We'll measure both the mark angle and, we'll measure both the mark angle and length. So we'll just put those next to each other. And we'll do the same thing for this one. Measure arc angle and measure arc length. And we can see that those are the same. So let's grab this. I'm going to move the circle over a little bit so it's out of the way of the measurements. And let's go see if we can find anything different. And actually, might be easier if we don't actually use this entire line here. So I'm just going to hide those. But I will draw my segment in there. And it might be easier if we mark off the arc like we did last time, but I think we'll be okay. So if I move these around, I can kind of see that no matter what I do with these parallel lines, the angles might be changing, but they're changing together. So my arc angle, my arc length always is the same. So that's pretty much page 95.